This can be a huge mistake for a lot of you guys who are trying to start cutting your own hair, and that is if you wear glasses or you wear contacts, please wear them when you're cutting your own hair, okay? The last thing you want to do is be partially blind or half blind and you're trying to cut your own hair where you need to see all the hard lines and you need to see the defining details in the haircut. But if you can't physically see because your vision is poor, then you're not going to be able to do a good job cutting your hair. It's as simple as that, right? So if you've got glasses, wear glasses. Preferably, if you have contact lenses, wear those instead, because you don't want to have the frame of the glass pressed up against your skin right here, right? You don't want it pressed up against the hair, and then it flattens it, and then it makes it a little bit more difficult to cut this part where the frame is, right? So if you have glasses, wear them, it's fine. You're gonna have to move them a little bit, adjust them when you're cutting around this area. But preferably, if you have contact lenses or you don't have them, get them, because it's gonna really help with the self haircut. So that way you can see every little hard line and every aspect of the detailing within the haircut.